Okay, so here the create table account master that we have created, and the three variables, that is EMP ID, EMP name, and EMP salary, that we have mentioned here. Okay, and this table I will draw here, so each and every time we don't need to look at the table. Okay, so just wait. Okay, table is the table that is EMP ID. Okay, उसके बाद क्या है उसमें EMP name, EMP salary. Okay, EMP ID 11, Raj 18,900. Okay, okay. This is our table. Okay, so now what we are going to do is that we have to check the salary of each and every employee, and if salary is 10,000 or below 10,000, okay, then we need to deduct the RD amount, okay, from that particular salary. Okay, so and RD amount is, that is 1,000. Okay, and we need to deduct this from the salary if salary is less than 10,000. Okay, 10,000 से कम अगर सैलरी किसी एम्प्लॉय की है तो आरडी की अमाउंट 1,000 हमें उससे डिडक्ट करनी है. ठीक है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हमें उसके लिए क्या लिखना पड़ेगा कि डिक्लेयर एक्सेप्शन. हमको लगेगा क्योंकि किसी एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी अगर ऑलरेडी 1,000 से कम है, ठीक है, लेकिन तो वो भी उस क्लॉज में आता है कि 10,000 से कम सैलरी के क्लॉज में वो भी आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो फिर उसकी भी सैलरी डिडक्ट होगी और उस केस में उसकी सैलरी माइनस हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो माइनस तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ सैलरी. तो इसे इस टाइम क्या होगा कि प्रोग्राम तो हमें एरर देगा नहीं, ठीक है, डेटाबेस में तो माइनस सेट कर देगा, लेकिन हमें खुद से पता है कि ये प्रोग्रामेटिकल एरर नहीं है, लेकिन एक्चुअल ये फैक्चुअल एरर तो है, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए हमें उसको एक्सेप्शन में मैनेज करना है, ठीक है, एज ए नेगेटिव सैलरी। तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, negative salary. So that's why we have taken here the keyword that is negative salary, that is negative salary exception. And here in the begin part, now we are taking the employee ID. So whatever employee salaries need to be checked, right? That employee ID we will take from the user. Okay, so how I have also told you in the previous lecture that how the particular input is given to the PLSQL, that is nothing but the use of colon. Okay, you need to make use of colon here. Okay, and in some versions you need to make use of ampersand. Okay, so here PEMP ID, that variable I have taken, okay, in the PLSQL block. For EMP ID, for EMP salary, I have taken the separate variables for the PLSQL block, that is PEMP ID and PEMP respectively. Okay, so and the another two numbers are required, that is RD amount, whatever RD amount that we are going to deduct from the salary of the employee, which is which salary is already less than the 10,000. Okay, so that's why this particular variable we need to mention here, that is PRD. Okay, that is 1,000. Okay, then P minimum salary, P min salary number colon equal to 10,000. Okay, so minimum salary we need to mention because we need to check in the begin part that if the employee IDs employee ID number is given by the user, that employee ID number is checked with its corresponding salary, and if that particular salary is already less than 10,000, then the RD amount 1,000 will be deducted from that particular salary uh, salary part. Okay, so here select EMP salary into PEMP salary. Now we know the PEMP ID by this one. Okay, by this one we know the PEMP ID. Okay, so now we can take that particular, suppose user entered the PEMP ID, that is 11, so we know that ID is 11, so we know that what is the salary of that particular EMP ID, that will be obviously 18,900. So that we have to take into the EMP salary variable. Okay, so select EMP salary. Okay, so this is the attribute present in the table, this one. Okay, EMP salary. ओके, इनटू PEMP सैलरी, अब PLSQL का जो वेरिएबल हमने लिया है उसमें उसको हमें कॉपी करना है, ठीक है। सो सिलेक्ट EMP सैलरी इनटू PEMP सैलरी from account master. So table names should be mentioned because same type of attributes may present in different types of tables. Okay, so from account master where EMP ID equal to PEMP ID. Okay, so user ने जो EMP ID एंटर किया है, PEMP ID में वो स्टोर है, वो यहाँ पे उसका ही सैलरी कॉपी करना है, इसीलिए हमने ये क्लॉज यहाँ पे लिखा है, दैट इज वेयर EMP ID equal to PEMP ID. Okay, so by using this, what will be the value of PEMP ID now for us? Okay, PEMP ID का वैल्यू अभी हमारे पास क्या स्टोर होगा, सपोज PEMP ID यूजर ने एंटर किया है अगर 11, तो इसमें 11 ही स्टोर होगा, ठीक है। तो ये जो क्यूरी हमने लिखी सिलेक्ट की, इससे क्या हो जाएगा कि PEMP salary is equal to 11, whatever the salary of 11 EMP ID. Okay, corresponding salary of EMP ID 11, that will be stored in the this part. Okay, EMP salary ये हमने अभी यहाँ तक किया है. Now we are going to check that is this 18,900 salary is less than 10,000. Okay, so here we can check. Okay. First, okay. So here first we are checking that already if particular employee salary is less than 1000, that what we are going to do, we are checking the less than 10,000, but less than 1000 is also less than 10,000, we know. Okay, जो 10,000 से कम है वही 1,000 से भी कम बोला जा सकता है. ओके, तो इसीलिए so that's why we have done the things like we are checking here that if particular employee salary is already less than 1000. Okay, so we will throw the exception here, we will raise the exception here you can see. Okay, so if a particular employee salary is less than 1000, so we can't do like this minus 1000 from that. Okay, so that's why here we are raising the uh, exception. Okay, that is negative salary exception. Okay, so here we are doing the ending. So this part, ये part समझ में आ गया? Please tell me. Why I have mentioned these 3 lines here. Got the things? Please say yes or okay, fine. So क्योंकि क्या है कि ऑलरेडी अगर किसी का सैलरी 1000 से कम है तो आगे जाके हम उसमें से 1000 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए यहाँ पे ही क्या हो जाएगा, वो एक्सेप्शन यहाँ पे रेज हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So now we are going to main part, that is if PEMP salary less than equal to P minimum salary. So now P minimum salary is 10,000. So if it is less than equal to, then update this one. Okay, then update this one. और इस update के लिए हमने फिर so उसमें से क्या किया है, इसमें से 1000 RD अमाउंट हमने माइनस किया है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो minus PRD, that's we have done here. Okay, so अगर 10,000 से कम होगा तभी 1000 माइनस होगा. ठीक है, लेकिन ऑलरेडी 1000 से माइनस है तो ये चीजें भी हमने यहाँ पे सेट करके रखी है, तो एक्सेप्शन तो होगा. ठीक है, राइट. सो अभी फिलहाल जो एग्जांपल हमने लिया है 11 का, उसमें तो ये एक्सेप्शन तो होगा नहीं क्योंकि वो सैलरी 18,900 है, तो उसमें से 1000 माइनस नहीं होंगे क्योंकि वो ये 10,000 से भी कम नहीं है. ठीक है, राइट. तो ये अगर 9000 होता तो इसमें से 1000 माइनस हो जाता, दैट इज 8000. ओके, फाइन. तो ये पार्ट तो हो गया, राइट. ये पार्ट, दिस पार्ट इज completed. Okay, now end if of this also. Now exception जो हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया था, that we have used the exception here, that is if PEMP salary less than 1000, then raise the negative salary exception. So here we are using that exception कि अगर in case that exception is thrown, okay, that we know that already such a type of entry is available in our table, that is employee ID 33, name is J, and salary is 999. Okay, so here we are using the exception, that is when negative salary that we have already used in the previous part, that is declare. Okay, so now we need to throw the error, that is dbms output dot put line, no RD amount deducted as salary is very less. Okay, here you can see no RD amount is deducted as salary is very less. Okay, प्रोग्राम समझ में आ गया? इसको रन करूँ मैं? Shall I run this now?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to run this. Okay, so this is asking me in EMP ID, so I will give the EMP ID 11. Okay, so submit, one row is updated. Okay, so we are going to see the select star from account master. We will run this. Okay, here you can see no changes there because 18,900 is not less than 10,000. Okay, So I think I need to add another entry here that is already less than 10,000. So I will add another entry here, 44. So 9,000. Okay. I'm going to run this one. One row is updated here. Okay, here you can see that particular entry is added into the table. Okay, so now I'm going to run the program again. Okay, we need to select whatever part we want to run. Okay, so here I will use ID 44. Okay, and I will submit it. Okay, here you can see one row is updated. Okay, so select star from account master. Okay, now here you can see, okay, see this entry, that is we have entered 9,000, but 1,000 RD amount is deducted, that is 8,000 from the table. Okay, fine. Now अभी हमने exception part तो देखा ही नहीं जिसके लिए program किया था, right? So now we will go to this exception part. Okay, so now we will intentionally give check 999 and it will raise the exception. Okay, our user defined exception, right? So now we will again run this and we will give the EMP ID as 33. Okay, so EMP ID is 33 and submit. Okay, here you can see, your exception part is run. Okay, that is no RD amount deducted as salary is being placed. Okay, right? The use of PLSQL programming, right? टेबल में चेंजेस होने से हम इसको रोक भी सकते हैं अगर कुछ गलत चीज हो। अब ये क्या है कि ये प्रोग्राम रन हो भी जाता, ठीक है, अगर आप यूजर डिफाइन एक्सेप्शन नहीं करते, एरर इसमें आता है, लेकिन इसमें फैक्चुअल एरर है कि आपको किसी का सैलरी माइनस नहीं रखना है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई you need to use the user defined exception. Now this is one example, in many parts you can use the user defined exceptions. Okay, so we will check our table once again. Okay. Here you can see the EMP ID 33 we have given. The salary is still same, that is still combined. Okay. No amount is deducted from it. So now if we haven't taken this exception, the salary might be -1. Okay. Means 999 minus 1,000, that is -1. Okay. So here we avoided this thing by making use of user defined exceptions. Okay. So take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot. Tell me when screenshot you have taken. Okay.
सर जा रहे हैं।
Now I'm going to stop this sharing. Okay. So just wait. So this is for today. And we will come with the next topic for the next lecture.